Hi to all, welcome to my second class on the chapter mensuration. Today I am going to discuss area of a trapezium. You already learned to find out the area of a rectangle. If m is the length and n is the breadth, you know what's its area. Area you can write it as S. It is m into n or mn. Here is a triangle with base B and height h. What's its area? Yes, its area is equal to half B into h or half BH. Now let us discuss the area of a trapezium. Here you have a trapezium. What is trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Let the length of the parallel sides be A and B. Let me draw the distance between these two parallel lines. Let it be taken as h. This h is the height of the parallelogram. Then what will be this length? Yes, this also will be equal to h. Now this trapezium divided into three parts, that is two triangles and one rectangle. Area of this trapezium is area of this two triangles plus area of this rectangle. But to find out the area of a triangle, you must need to know the base and height. Of course, height h is given, so base is not given. Let us take it as base m, and base of the other triangle we can take it as n. Now what about the length of this rectangle, that is this length? The whole length we can take it as a, but this length s, which is equivalent to b, so that is here we can take the length of this rectangle be b. Now let us find out areas of all these figures. Area of the trapezium is equal to, let us find out the area of these two triangles first. Here, this triangle, the area is equal to half into m into h, that is half mh. Here, it is half into base n height h, so half into n into h. So we can write plus half nh. Now, here the area of the rectangle, length is b, breadth is h. So you can write plus b into h, that is bh. Now what is half into 2bh? 2 will be cancelled. So you will get half 1 into bh, that is bh. So this bh we can write it as half into 2 into bh, so that we can take half as common. That is area of the trapezium is equal to half mh plus half nh, plus instead of bh we can write it as half into 2bh. Now here you can see in all the terms half is there and one h also there. So half into h we can take it as common. Then we can write, that is half h we took it as common. Then in first term we took half h common. So what is remaining? There m. So half h into m plus what is in the next term half h we took. What is remaining? Yes, plus n plus here half h we took outside, then it remaining is 2b. Now it is half h into m plus n plus 2b. 2b you can write it as b plus b. So here we can write it as b plus b. So we get, which is equal to half h into m plus n plus b plus b. Now look here, look at the figure. What is m plus b plus n, or m plus n plus b, which is equal to the whole length equal to a? So instead of m plus n plus b, you can write it as a. So we get, so which is equal to half h into a plus b. So this is the formula to find out the area of the trapezium. That is, area of the trapezium is equal to half into a plus b into h, or we can say area of the trapezium is equal to half of the sum of the length of parallel sides into perpendicular distance between them. Here you have a question to solve. Find the area of the following trapeziums. Here you can see parallel sides are 9 and 7, height is 3. So its area is equal to half into 9 plus 7 into 3. Do find it out. Similarly, here parallel sides are 10 and 5 and the height is 6. So do yourself. Here you have another question. The area of a trapezial shaped field is 480 meters square. The distance between two parallel sides is 15 meter and one of the parallel side is 20 meter. Find the other parallel side. Here area of the trapezium is given as 480 meters square, and one of the side A, it is height, it is given as 15 meter, that is distance between two parallel sides is 15 meter, and one of the side is given as 20 meter. That A you can take it as 20 meter. So we have to find out B. Area of the trapezium is equal to half h into a plus b. Substitute these values for area, h and a. That is 480 is equal to half into 15 into 20 plus b. Now 2 and 15 you can transpose first. So divided by 2 will be 480 into 2 and into 15 will be divided by 50. So you get, so we can write 480 into 2 divided by 15 is equal to 20 plus b. Now 48 in 2 by 15. 15 in 48, it will be 3 times. Then balance 3. In 30, it is 2 times. So 32 into 2, you will get it as 64. So we can write 64 is equal to 20 plus b. Now b you can get it as 64 minus 20, that is equal to 44 meter. That is all for today's class. Here you have 3 questions, 11.2. Do yourself. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.